Mabuhay o madayaw. Yes, maayong adlaw sa inyong tanan and welcome na usab sa lain na po na interview, pero I'm sure familiar mo sa mga naong but they're under a new name. So, ladies and gentlemen, atong ipailaina, please light it up.
Light it up, we are Mago!
Alright, so as usual, ipailaina ang inyong mga kaugalingon.
Hi everyone, my name is Ian.
Hi everyone, my name is May. Hi everyone, I am Gia.
Hi everyone, I'm Mia.
And hi everyone, I'm Kai Kai.
Alright, so ato nang tagaan ng pagtagad sa kumustahan with regards sa inyong role is performers right now since nag-change na mo og name from Tricksters to Mago. Kumusta naman with of course ubay-ubay ra pod ka mga events ang inyong na perform and also feedback sa mga tao karon.
Well, grabe yung ka-hectic ang schedule ng mga event karon, isigin-sigin ka ng mga kailangan isigin. And yes, thankful ka para sa mga events na sunod-sunod. And it's our time to show the people what we got, what we can perform.
Yes. So, of course, ato nang ipangutana the same question to the kalokalike. Gia, kumusta naman? Of course, as usual kay ang feedback pod sa mga tao with regards sa inyong performance in every event nga ginatambungan ninyo.
Yes, thank you for that question. Okay lang ang mga set and nag-ready pa po kami sa mga upcoming events na ang i-performan ng mga events. Thank you.
Yeah. Let's be honest na medyo lisod pod. I know that ang inyong eskwela o trabaho man pod, syempre ang leader naman po trabaho, pero kasagaran naman pod, nag-eskwela, but how do you manage sa inyong time sa mga rehearsals in some performances?
We manage the time, like during weekdays we do our thing, we work, we go to school and everything. While during weekends, that's when we practice, we rehearse everything, and time management.
Yeah. Sa visuals, of course.
On weekdays, when school may do our thing as students and on weekends, do that practice and everything. Smile.
Yeah.
So, as a college student, by far, I think ako dyan ang pinaka-hectic schedule even for this interview. So, I had a lot of responsibilities on my back, and so I manage my time, set my priorities straight, and so there are actually times na I, for performances, dili ko maka-appeal, but I try my best for if available ko, perform ko, and if naapoy time na kanang dili jud makaya sa akong schedule, I gina-inform na ako ang beforehand.
Alright. So, I'll give a twist sa akong ipangutana. Kinsay ganahan tubag sa ako ang pangutana because are you willing to have a pixie cut if ever na next performance? Yes?
That is such a bold. I don't know if bakit sa ko ang pinisikat. Nagka-pinisikat na ba si Ann Curtis?
Not sure.
Nagkaroon ako nagtingon my own love with Ann Curtis. So, base na bagay po sa ako.
Yeah. Ikaw?
For me, I will try to fix it for the next. I haven't tried and I want to explore new things.
Gia?
Feel na ko, ang pixie cut is not really the style of my hair. Kaya for me, mas bagay ang long hair sa kuha. And dili ko na, wala pa ako nag-think na magpa-pixie cut ko.
So, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so I wanna try having a pixie cut. But like, I don't think bagay ito sa ako.
Mm.
Gusto ko na.
Yeah. What you?
I don't think so.
Mm.
I think I don't have the facial structure for a good pixie cut. So, dili lang kayo ko. Di na hairstyle.
Okay. Sige. Twist taglain, no? Kay to manage our time, no? But are there any other plans, the future events na ato ang madalit for our audience?
We are inviting you guys. We will be performing at SMX Lanam for the Davao Kadayawan Expo 2026.
Yeah.
7:30 p.m.
Yeah. Naman po ilang performers pero syempre kamog yun ang nasa day one.
Yes.
But before I would wrap things up, I think the last question I'd like to have kung do you also have plans na lahi of dance movement with some other performances that you like to have aside sa inyong usual na dance steppings?
So, ang usual jud na mo nga dance no is cutesy, cute love, really pretty. I think next year we will be experimenting on more hip hop.
Yeah.
Maybe.
Oo, hip-hop.
Let's see.
Pero bawal i-spill pang tea. Yeah, sige. Again, we'll give our time na i-promote ang inyong mga social handles. If you want to have inquiries, kung gusto perform for bookings.
If you want to inquire for our group, then you should check out Mago on Facebook and our details, phone number, emails. You can just contact us there, and yeah, that would be all.
Yeah. So that's about it sa tuwang interview for this junction together with Mago. And of course, we would like to thank All Access Creative Studios sa tuwang venue na gigamit karon. And of course, to the official skincare nato, ang Beautyans Wellness and Aesthetics na mahimutang sa MacArthur Highway, Bangkal, Davao City. Thank you so much, Beautyans. And of course, for beautifying our skins. And this has been Kadang Pangkarlo Golier. Daghang kayong salamat ug maayong adlaw kanilang tanan. Amping permente, mabuhay o madayaw.